So today we're unboxing a brand new arrival, the Eye2Cam. A webcam you can place on your screen right over the person you're talking to, so that when you're looking at them on the screen, you're also looking straight at them via your webcam. Do an unboxing video, they said. Okay. So here's how it looks. Nice little pouches for the webcam itself, which you can't see. There it is. Comes with a standard USB-A plug to go into your laptop, with an accompanying microphone as well if you need it. The camera itself is only about 1 centimetre square and is located and held onto the screen by little suction pads, and you get all these goodies with it. Suction pads, proving a little bit difficult to take out of the packaging. One large one and 2 small ones. There's the webcam itself. Screw on the suction attachment and stick it to your screen. Also comes with a couple of handy USB-A to USB-C adapters. And a couple of fixings to make sure the wire isn't dangling across your screen. Just like that. A second one for good measure. And for keeping things clean and tidy, a ridiculously large, given the size of the camera, non-static cloth. And there you have it, the Eye2Cam website, recently launched on Kickstarter. Let's put it to the test.